How to convert Microsoft Word document to PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to convert Microsoft Word document to a PowerPoint presentation, then first you need to open up your Word document and you can simply go with a blank one and you can create something. So for example, I've written something, right? So here you can write paragraphs or you may have two or three Word documents, right? Pages. So in order to convert them to your PowerPoint presentation, first you need to choose the titles and for example, I'll be choosing the first one. I'm going with the first heading and choose the second one. Go with the second heading if you want to. And once you've done that, you just need to simply go with the upper left. Here you will have the customize quick access toolbar. Click on that option and then scroll down and go with more commands. And under choose command form, you just need to simply go with all commands and then scroll down and choose the option of, and here you will get the option of send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on that option and then click on add. Once you click on add, now you need to go with OK. And here you will have the presentation option, right? Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. You just need to simply click on it and it will convert that to your PowerPoint presentation. So that's it. That's how you can convert a Microsoft Word document to a PowerPoint presentation. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.